Bitcoin sharply lower as the global sell-off intensifies. Joining us now, Kathleen Breitman, co-founder of the blockchain Tezos. It's good to see you this morning.
Yes, thank you for having me.
We had Tom Lee on earlier talking about something that happened in Japan, perhaps.
I hear a rumor, yeah.
With some, not just a carry trade, but something with Bitcoin, something with a big holder. Do you know anything about that?
No, I think basically what we're seeing is something similar to what happened at the beginning of COVID, where folks get a sense of something that looks like a recession, and the first thing they decide to sell is their pretend internet money. Yeah, the news coming out of Japan obviously correlates with quite a bit of that.
So it's nothing different than margin calls, and if you have stocks or Bitcoin or any assets that are sellable, you can take profits and maybe cover what you need to cover elsewhere. Nothing further than that. I mean, gold didn't go down.
I think Bitcoin gets a bit of a shellacking because it's definitely cast more as a speculative currency. It's not treated the same as a lot of other equities.
You just called it pretend internet money.
Yeah.
Yes, that's.
You're saying the quiet part out loud for some people.
I think it's good to acknowledge that it's an experiment.
And therefore, are you a believer in this experiment?
Very much so. But I think it's also good to take it with a grain of salt and know that it's a very young market.
And you think it's a store of value?
I think that narrative is being decimated as we speak.
So therefore, you don't think it's a store of value?
I've never really bought into that narrative. I think as basically this becomes a larger part of institutional portfolios, you can expect that it's going to correlate with more assets.
So you just think of it as a speculative stock?
No, I think it's a new way to exchange value with someone who you may or may not know across the internet.
But if you're Larry Fink telling people to go buy the ETF or some of the other,
I think you're saying that to call any asset a store of value is on any given day, the store of value might be X, on another day it might be 2X, another day it may be 0.5X. It doesn't mean it's not a store of value, but you think that there is a utility to having Bitcoin be able to transact across the internet.
Yeah, very much so. I think it addresses a corner case on the web.
It addresses a core case on the web.
A corner case on the web.
Corner case.
Yeah.
So it doesn't need to be a store of value to be something that's valuable and used.
I think that it addresses a fundamental problem and a technical problem that isn't necessarily a panacea for everyone. I think the store of value meme is like a meme just like a lot of other crypto culture that sometimes makes sense and other times doesn't. Another sort of nonsense meme around Bitcoin is that it's backed by math.
So confused.
How
How
much value should it be storing? $10,000 worth of value per coin or $150,000 worth of value per coin?
Well, it's for the market to decide.
Let me ask you just a different question, because this is important on the screen for those who have bought in via the ETF. Okay, so look, if you look at a Bitcoin ETF today, they're all down about 17%, something on the order of 17%. I want you to now, can we take the screen back up on Bitcoin itself? Because you're going to see that there's a differential between the ETF and Bitcoin, the underlying currency, right? You're going to see it's off about 13%.
Oh, boy.
Okay, do you see the distinction here?
Yeah.
There's an arbitrage situation going on. So what does that say to you?
I'm not super sure.
Well, the reason I ask it is clearly the ETFs are trading at a discount, a significant discount to the underlying currency. And whether that is a good thing, a bad thing, what does that really even mean at this point? By the way, this is now down 13%. If you'll flip the other screen around, I wonder whether the ETF's now going to be off over 18%. It's a very interesting trade, though.
It's a great opportunity for someone.
You see that?
You can arbitrate. Reminds me of a closed-end fund almost.